In this video, I'm going to basically reveal all my strategies and tips and tricks which I've been using all these days to make a killing on Fiverr. Hey guys, Chupiya Chaudhary here, and I'm welcoming you to another video of my channel where I'm going to discuss with you how to get your first order on Fiverr. Guys, in this video, I'm going to basically reveal all my strategies and tips and tricks which I've been using all these days to make a killing on Fiverr. Okay, so without any wasting of your time, let's just jump into the content. So my point number one goes like, find hot selling or low competitive services in your niche, guys. This is very important, guys. In today's world, like every freelancer is going to Fiverr. So you have to like be unique from them. You have to stand out. So you have to find services which are less competitive, okay, in your niche. So let's suppose you are working in the logo design niche, and there are 110,000 services available here. So what you need to do is you can shorten this keyword to make sure that those are less competitive. Like let's suppose I will put here maybe I'll put here modern logo. So now just see 22,000 services available. So you literally cut off, or literally you reduced 80,000 services just by doing this thing. Okay? Now keyword research is not enough if you don't know if there are buyers available or searching your gigs using that keywords. Okay, so I will open some services here to see if there are buyers are there on this keyword. Oh my god, this is 90 orders in queue, guys. Can you imagine, guys? 22,000 services available, and modern logo with 22,000. Okay, and see, guys, 90 orders in queue is having, and this person is having 11 orders in queue. This person is 29 orders in queue, and this person is 255 orders in queue, guys. Can you imagine, right? People are running for the logo design basic keyword. Like I just tweaked the keyword a bit to make it 22,000 services, and guess what? This is how you can rank in a shorter period of time, and this is how you can beat your competition. This strategy works, and it has been working for me all day long. I have created all my Fiverr gigs on basis of this strategy only. So my next strategy comes like, stop waiting for Fiverr to bring you organic orders at the start. So guys, everywhere I am seeing Facebook, in my group, everyone is asking why I'm not getting orders on Fiverr. Where is my order? When will Fiverr actually send me order? I was in your shoes before, so I completely understand the situation. But guys, Fiverr had responsibility of bringing you orders when it was back in 2012. Okay, when they initially started, they were trying to bring you as much as order as possible. Now also they bring you orders, definitely, but we have to wait for a certain amount of time. But guys, I don't like waiting, and actually people whom I've meet or like mentor, okay, I don't recommend the wait. Okay, I recommend they do Facebook marketing. Like this is one of my best strategies. I almost built a 6-figure revenue from just this Facebook marketing. And not only Fiverr, guys, I use this model for agency as well. Like Facebook marketing is very important if you want to build any business out there. Okay, so with Facebook marketing, you have to understand few things. Okay guys, you don't have to like go in groups and spam like, hey man, give me order, not getting order. Not like this, guys. You join relevant groups in your niche. Okay, so if you are in the logo design niche, you have to ask yourself, where is your audience based on? Where are they hanging out? What are their problems? Who is my target audience? Which groups does they belong to? You ask yourself these questions, and then you join these groups. Okay, and then you slowly start connecting with those people. Somebody who needs a website will obviously need a logo, so those are your target customers. Okay, so you join those particular groups, and then you maybe you can post a logo. Okay, you can post a sample logo on that group, and then you can ask for people's recommendations, like, hey man, what do you think about this logo which I designed in the last hour? Okay, so now people will start giving you their recommendations, and in this way, guys, you will start attracting people. Like many people will start messaging you, and over time you will gain momentum, and this will actually help bring you more orders from Fiverr as well, because Fiverr likes when someone when a seller is working on their end as well to gain orders, and not depending on Fiverr entirely. So that this method really works. Okay. My third method is use keywords everywhere strategy for dominating Fiverr gig SEO. No, not a lot of people actually talks about this, because this is one of my strategies which I've been using as well. So let me go to any keywords and let me go to any gig, and then I can show you a little bit about this. Okay, so guys, you can see that, let's suppose I researched a keyword which is called the modern logo. Now I will take the modern logo keyword and put it in my title, put it in my packages. Okay, I will put it in my image. Even I put it in the image file name, guys. Like, let's suppose you are using this image, like using this image as a thumbnail. So what I will do is I will save the thumbnail in my desktop with the keyword modern logo. Okay, and then upload it to Fiverr. Okay. Now I will also put it on my description several times. I will also put it on my tags as well. Okay, and I will also put it on my thumbnail as well, like maybe design with the keyword modern logo or whatever keyword or tag I'm using. This is the keywords everywhere strategy. Okay, like you use keywords everywhere, guys. This really helps in SEO, and this also results in ranking your pages on Fiverr first page. But obviously, guys, if you do this wording thing which I just showed you, and you skip the rest, that will not work. You have to. This is a combination, guys. It's not just you will do SEO and orders will start coming. This is a combination of multiple factors which results in ranking your gig on the first page. Okay. So let me talk about the fourth point right now. Start marketing your gig within the first 1 to 2 weeks of gig creation. Okay, so this is actually a pro tip. You will not see a lot of people talking about this again, because this is what I've witnessed. I've experienced after opening 4 to 5 accounts. Like I had 4 accounts before. Now I recently opened another one because I had more people, to do the work on the 4th account. Okay, so I started 5th account, and I'm again seeing that this thing like really works. Like Fiverr, in the first 1 to 2 weeks of your gig creation, Fiverr literally pushes your gig, in front of the right audience to see if the buyers are getting attracted to your gig. Okay, so Fiverr does this in the first 1 to 2 weeks only. So you have to make sure as well, guys. So you start marketing your gig within the first 1 to 2 weeks, okay, to get maximized results. Because if you start marketing like in the first 1 to 2 weeks, like if Fiverr is doing the marketing of your gig as well, and you are doing the marketing as well, what could be the result? The result could be either Fiverr bringing you some orders, maybe, or it can be that you are bringing some orders from your social media clients, your Facebook clients, which I talked about in this part point 2. Okay, so doing this will definitely help you guys. And also Fiverr algorithm will also see that you are doing some work from your end as well. You are giving Facebook traffic to Fiverr. Okay, bringing new people actually from other channels or other platforms to their platform, and helping them grow. So definitely, guys, Fiverr will see this, and definitely they will help you rank more. Okay, in the coming days for sure. Now my another strategy is, guys, this is actually a paid strategy, and I don't really recommend this to beginners or maybe people starting out, because they are not actually aware of this process much. If you are doing this process, you have to be aware about this process and the outcomes of this. Okay, now doing this strategy can lead to your account getting banned, and maybe your account can get disabled as well, your payment can get frozen. Okay, so doing this, guys, I will not recommend you, but it's just a strategy, like people are using to gain sales and ultimately rank their profile. Okay, but there is a particular way to do that, guys. What you need to do is you have to tell your friend or maybe someone in your channel to, hey man, like I sell this and I will pay you the amount, but what you need to do is actually you have to give me an order on Fiverr. Okay, I will pay you the full amount, but you will give me an order and a good review. Okay, the review should not be something like he's like bragging about you or something like that. Okay, it should be like clean, and it should look like legit. I mean, it shouldn't be like 4, 5 to 6, 7 lines like that. Okay, simple review, clean review, and looks like authentic. Okay. And this review should also include strategy, like you should not give you directly your share link on Fiverr. Okay, to share link of Fiverr to someone, you have to like basically give them the keywords, and you can tell them that, hey man, our gig is ranking on page 4 on this keyword, and then they can open some gigs while they are searching. So Fiverr can see that this person is not interested on this gig, they have opened these gigs. Okay, and ultimately they land on your gig, and then they place order. Okay, so this is the strategy they have to follow, guys. If you again, guys, if you are a beginner, if you don't know, or maybe you don't have any experience, guys, don't go do this method. And you can do this method only if you are struggling a lot and you want to go all in, you want to take in the risk. Okay, because this can literally get your account banned, as I'm telling it again, because I've seen my account getting banned using this strategy. So I just wanted to include it in my strategy list. But again, this is not recommended for beginners. Only advanced people can do this, or maybe people who have full knowledge about this can definitely try this out, guys. And this definitely helps in ranking, guys. I can just tell you for a fact. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you like my video and like my content, guys, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel, guys, because I will deliver a lot more value than these videos, in the coming days. So make sure to like my channel, guys, because this type of tricks and strategies are kind of rare in YouTube. I've seen a lot of people's content, and they're not just relevant enough, okay. So make sure, guys, to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.